going on, guys? This is Tyler from Showtime coming at you again. It's been a little while. Things have been a little crazy right now. As we all know, COVID-19 is affecting everybody in a multitude of different ways. As an essential business at Showtime, we've stayed open and here to serve our customers in a time of need. People need their cars, they need their transportation, they need to get them fixed when things happen to them. So we've been here. And today's video is to show you guys how we are responding to this situation, how we are keeping our employees and keeping our customers safe, and the steps we're taking to do that. So this car we have here is a resident enterprise vehicle, and it's going to be our example of how we're disinfecting these cars when they come into the repair facility and how we're disinfecting the cars when they go back out. So the first step to this disinfection process when the car comes in is to isolate the hot spots of the car. We're talking about all the spots that are getting touched very often: steering wheel, handles, shift knobs, radio. You want to pay attention to all that stuff. That can be wiped down with a disinfectant wipe before the car ever gets brought down to the shop. But regardless of the circumstances, the first process the cars go through when they come into our shop is our pre-wash phase. So what that entails is washing the engine and wheels and doing a little cleanup on the interior. And so we've implemented a disinfection process into our pre-wash phase here. And basically what that is spraying a hospital-grade disinfectant with an HVLP spray gun in the inside of the car, misting it on these hot spots and making sure, you know, this stuff kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria and whatnot. It's antiviral, and it is used in hospitals to disinfect things. So that's going to be the first step of our disinfection process. When the car comes in for its pre-wash, before the techs really start working on it, we're going to be spraying this disinfectant in the car. Now that we have this vehicle disinfected on the interior, it is important to note that we chose this specific disinfectant for a certain reason. We chose it for with multiple things in consideration. It's fragile enough for the interior of the car. The screens on the dash and the plastics in the car are not going to be harmed by this. Technically, it doesn't even need to be wiped off, even though that is something that we do implement in our disinfection procedures. It has no scent. You cannot smell it as hard as you want to try. It does not have any type of chemical like that. It just does its job in killing germs, bacteria, viruses, all the stuff that we have to pay more attention to nowadays. It does what we need it to do.